welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be another home update. We're talking all things home, which I'm really excited about. It's gonna be a huge update. We have things coming in the mail. We've got shopping to do. We've got decorating to do. Like, we've got so much going on in today's video. I'm really excited. I'm excited for these pieces to come in the mail, for rooms to come together. It's just gonna be really good. So if you're interested in hanging out with us today, updating our home, okay, putting together some rooms, basically all things home, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna look up the people who installed our cabinets. I forget their name. I remember our builder told us, but I completely forget. So anyway, I need to look up the people who did our cabinets, that one lone cabinet open, and I want to call them and see. I don't know what's going on with my camera. The lighting is weird. It's a mess back there. Like, let's just pretend that's not messy. Basically, I want to just call them to see how much it would be. I want to get an estimate on how much it would be for them to do the butler's pantry and our actual pantry, which that's even worse of a mess. And I know I said in a video, I'm pretty sure I told you all, that I wanted to do like a DIY pantry. I wanted to film the whole process. Like, I thought it could be so fun. But as I'm looking this up, I'm like, gosh, like that's a lot of wood to cut, to go to Home Depot, to take the time to do this. I don't know, you guys. And I think because we hired people to install our light fixtures and it was so easy and so seamless, I'm just like, you know what? I kind of want to just hire someone to do this. I just don't want to do it. Like, some projects, oh my God, you guys, we have a junk drawer and I'm just gonna let your imagination wander as to what it looks like because it's absolutely awful. Okay, so I wanna call them, get an estimate to do the pantry because it's gonna be too much for us to do it, and I'd rather just pay somebody to do that. Like, that's a big job. You guys, I don't know how we got here. I don't know if you could see that, but we're at Homegoods again. As a family, we're at Homegoods. You already know. It's exactly RG. So okay, so we're gonna go in and see what we can see. And are you excited? I mean, this is like your favorite. You're excited too? Yes. I swear, I did not tell him to say that. That's actually really funny. Rob does not like this store at all. It's funny.
That's not true.
You like HomeGoods?
Yeah. I like it for the stuff that I need. I don't like it to be browsing. You love that part.
I just love walking around in here. So we're gonna see what we can see. I'm on the lookout for a tree, like a fake plant tree, some wall art for RG's room. Although you all did have really good suggestions for his room.
Let me go in and see the microwave kitchen.
The microwave kitchen.
I don't know what.
Okay, and also I want to look at the rugs because you all know, like, I'm interested in layering rugs, but I don't know, we'll see. Also, just random trinkets. It's gonna be random. It's gonna be random. So let's go. Hi ho, let's go. Okay, you guys, so we just got back from HomeGoods and I wanted to show you the first things that we picked up. I'm seriously obsessed with these two pieces of art. They kind of have that like faux painting. Well, I guess it's not faux painting. I don't even know what you would call this, like this textured paint. Obviously you could see it there, and if you know the name, let me know in the comments, but it's some type of art where you use like stucco, I think, something like that, and you kind of just like paint over a canvas and frame it. And this would be so easy to DIY, but when I saw it at HomeGoods already made, already in gold, the perfect way that I would want to do it myself, I was just like, you know what, I need this. I'm getting these. I'm not too sure where I want to put them. I just kind of rested them up against this wall because I was thinking maybe here, but because of that light switch, I don't know if that's gonna work, but we'll see. I'm gonna experiment with some different placements of these, but I think they're just so pretty. I love that they're white with the gold. I feel like this matches with my whole entire house like very neutral with like pops of gold here and there, mixing metals. So I could really put this anywhere. I'm gonna play around with it. I just know how Homegoods is, and I'm sure you do too, that if you don't snatch it up right away, they'll be gone in like 30 minutes. So I was like, you know what? Let me just get these. I can play around with them, and if I'm not feeling it, I can return it. But I mean, these are gorgeous. Like I love these. I will find a place for these. They're so pretty. I really want to put them here with like a table underneath. I thought that could be pretty, but is it too much white on white? Like I don't know. I need to experiment. Okay, and then moving over here, I got these 2 side tables. I think they're really, really cute. Again, I'm just kind of experimenting with placement. That vase over there, we need to put that away. That was, if you saw our fall home decor video, we painted these vases, but not that one, these, but I think I want to take them down and kind of switch it up. So yeah, that one was just kind of over there. But anyway, so yeah, I really like these end tables. I think they're really, really cute. They did not come as a set, but I thought this could be nice. Like if we put like a chair right here, because later in this video, fingers crossed, in this video, we are actually getting our coffee table right here, and it kind of has a similar vibe to this. So I thought that could be really cute, and I'm thinking of putting like a chair. We need a chair here. We need to like put stuff here to make it more inviting, because right now it's just very empty, and like, okay, you either sit here or you don't sit. So I kind of wanted like a chair, maybe like over here. Maybe I don't necessarily want to block this walkway, and I don't necessarily want the chair like, I don't know. We'll see. We'll experiment a little bit with this space once the coffee table gets here. I can kind of brainstorm a little bit better, and especially once our rug, we ordered a rug. So the rug and the coffee table over here I think is really gonna warm it up, but we need some type of seating, some type of plant, some type of like a floor lamp. I don't know. We need something else in this space, but I just wanted to get these because again, Homegoods, if you don't get it, if you snooze, you lose basically. So I just wanted to snatch these up. I don't know if they're gonna stay here. I might put them in my office. You all know I'm getting 2 chairs in front of my desk. So maybe I can put this in between each chair. Maybe I could bring this up in our bedroom because I wanted to get some chairs to go in front of our bed. So maybe this could go up there. I don't know, but I really liked these 2. So I was like, okay, let me get them and then we can play around with it. Okay, you guys, and the last 2 things, it's seriously so awkward. Like, I don't know what, I mean, I get it for like sale. You want to be able to be like, see, a family goes here, look how happy they are. This could be your family, but like, it's so awkward. I don't know, just like, it's just awkward having like different families. Don't you think? Am I the only one that like, when you buy picture frames, it's so awkward and it's like another family in it? I don't know. There's like something that's like creepy. I don't know. Anyway, so basically, I'm gonna remove the pictures that are in there, obviously, and we're gonna do a little DIY. So I at first planned on buying these frames right here from Restoration Hardware. I'm gonna insert a picture. This is what I was gonna get. I was gonna get them for RG's room and put them over his bed. I was gonna just splurge because I just really like them, and yeah, I mean, what else? I just like them. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get these. They're huge, it's perfect, but I saw these in Homegoods. I've actually had my eye on these for a little bit, and I was like, oh, I should get this and like maybe put our own pictures in there, like do something different, but I just never did. I was like, no, I'll just buy the other ones, it's fine. But then I was like, you know what? Like, no, I'm not gonna spend that much on wall art for a toddler that when he gets to be about 16, he's gonna be like, I don't want this, or I like something different, I want Batman everywhere. Like, I'm not gonna spend that on toddler room art. So I was like, you know what? No, it doesn't make sense. And Rob was like, absolutely not. We're not doing that. So that had a lot to do with it too. And so instead, what I'm gonna do is take pictures, because I'm like, you know what? I have a nice camera. Like, I can take pictures. Like, I can do my own, you know, like DIY. So I'm gonna take pictures of the view outside of our house. I kind of want to get a picture of this view outside of our house, and I feel like I could kind of do some color correcting and get it to look very similar to the Restoration Hardware one. So we're going to do our own little view. I'm like, I can get a picture like that. It might not be the exact same, but it'll still be very similar. Fingers crossed I can pull this off and it can be a Restoration Hardware dupe for only, these were $40 a frame, and they're huge, like 24 by 36, and the Restoration Hardware is 25 by 36. So pretty much the exact same size for a fraction of the cost is what I'm gonna strive to achieve.
What's up, you guys? Rob is back. I'm getting ready to put this up on Briella's wall right above her crib, so stick around.
Something to buy, yeah.
Gonna be using these good old-fashioned monkey hooks. These things are awesome. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. You like this? What y'all think? I think that's good. That's gonna look really nice.
You guys, can I just say I am so excited for this DIY project. Okay, it's the next day and Rob took the pictures outside and I think it looks awesome. I think our view looks really, really good. And so what I'm gonna do is I imported all the pictures over to my phone and I'm gonna go ahead and edit them and just basically try to make this look like the Restoration Hardware one. So fingers crossed. I could go through and like try to find a filter, but I think what I'm gonna do is just try to do this on my own. So I'm gonna pull up Restoration Hardware actually, just so I can see their picture and try to like get it to match up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to edit this picture and then I'm gonna see if I can upload it onto my Etsy so that you all can like download this if you want to, because I realize not everybody has access to like places where they can, you know, take pictures. So I have the picture pulled up and honestly it like there's no green in this. It literally looks black and white. So okay, we're gonna go to saturation.
Talking to the people about your picture.
I'm trying to.
Oh.
Rob, does this look like it?
Ooh, hold on a minute. We got a little something, something.
Right?
Yeah.
Does that look like it? Hold on, let me take the blue out. I feel like there's a lot of blue. Maybe I do the blue. There's some, the blue is the difference.
You know what you could do?
What?
You could copy this picture, put it into Photoshop.
Okay.
And then use the inspect tool. And that way you can get the colors on it.
I mean, but I think this looks something like it. I don't know if you all can tell with the glare, but I feel like this is pretty close. To me, I just see blue.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll be back though. We're gonna play around with that. Okay guys, so we are back home. I don't know the last thing I filmed. I think I told you all that we were going to send our pictures to Office Depot. Well, we did. We have our pictures here of our view outside and I'm really excited. We're gonna put them in the frames and fingers crossed this turns out to be a Restoration Hardware wall art dupe because I have a really good feeling. So, okay, so basically I just did a ton of color correcting, aka just like taking the color completely out and making it look as similar as the Restoration Hardware one as possible. And okay, there's like a distinctive tree that I look for and I'm like, okay, that's this one, or hey, it's a perfect fit. I am praying, good Lord, that this looks good. Guys, you ready to see it? Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can really tell. Oh, there's a glare. Of course there's a glare. I don't know why I thought there wouldn't be. Hold on, let me lay it flat and then I'll get the camera. I think this looks so nice. Wow, I love this. Okay, this is our view from outside our house and I love how this looks. Oh my god. You guys, I love it. Okay, the perfectionist in me, there's a little bit of white edging. It's not completely perfect. It's not completely fit to size, but that's okay. In the grand scheme, I really like it. Okay, question though. Should I keep the frame this color or paint it black? Keep in mind, his sconces on either side are going to be black with like a bronze hardware. So do I paint these black? I kind of like it this color. Another thing to keep in mind is that his bed is like a brown wooden color. So I don't know if this wash of wood with his bed with the black sconces, I don't know if that's gonna blend, but I really like the way that this looks. I think this tone of wood complements the gray monochromatic like tone of the picture. I feel like it's a perfect match, but you let me know. Do you think I should paint it black? Restoration Hardware had it painted black. So I guess if I wanted to do like a full dupe moment, I would need to paint this frame black. I don't know, but I really, really like how this turns out. Okay, I'm gonna do the second one with the second frame, and then we're gonna hang these up in RG's room. And I'm sorry, the total price for 2 of these at Restoration Hardware was gonna be something like, if you're not a member, it was gonna be like $1,300. We are members of Restoration Hardware, so it was gonna be like $989, which is crazy. $989 for 2 pieces of artwork that we were able to do and put together and color correct for free on my phone and pretty much make the same exact thing. And it's sentimental because this is like where we live. So yeah. Okay, you guys, and here are the 2 pictures side by side. I would say that this is a pretty good dupe. It's obviously not, you know, 100%. It's really hard to see with the glare, but as soon as quiet time is over, we're gonna hang this up. Singular we. Rob's gonna hang this up. I'm trying to like find it. Okay, here we go. That's not bad. I love it. I really, really like this, and I really like the coloring, but let me know if you think I should paint this black. Kind of leaning towards just keeping it as is, but yeah, like I said, let me know. I'm excited. Okay, guys, so it has been a while since we got a new piece of furniture in, and I'm really excited because today we are gonna break that dry spell. We got some we got 1 piece of furniture in, and I'm really excited. I think it looks really, really nice. So please feast your eyes on the newest addition to our living room. We have a coffee table. I'm so excited about it. I think it looks awesome. I just randomly put this stuff that we had around the house here on the coffee table, but I mean, I might rearrange, I might change some things around. I just wanted to show you the coffee table that we went with. We went with a rectangle because I thought it would just fit perfectly in with our couch, and not only that, round light fixture, and then our arched mirror. So I kind of just wanted something straight. I didn't want too many like circular round things. Like, I don't know, I kind of wanted the shapes to like complement each other, and I think that this rectangle just really fits nicely here. I think it looks good. And yeah, we are getting our rug. You guys, story about the rug. Just like a quick story, like I ordered it off Wayfair, which I know I probably should have, you know, done better, but I ordered it off Wayfair. It's a rug that I have been wanting for so long. Even before we moved, even before like people didn't like Wayfair, I always had my eye on this rug and I really wanted it, and that's like the only thing I want to say so far that I really ordered from there. But anyway, the rug is taking forever and a day. They ended up giving me a coupon code, like a little like discount voucher, because it's taking so long. And yeah, they're basically having a hard time locating the rug. I called them today and they were like, yeah, it's supposed to be on this truck, but we don't have confirmation, so we're gonna run an investigation. Those were her exact words. We're gonna run an investigation to try to find this rug. So hopefully my rug comes, but I just love this. Like, I love that we have a coffee table and I'm really excited about it. Obviously the rug will really pull it together. I want to put a plant right here and then like a little chair or something over, it's hard to do it on the camera, over in this area, like maybe like some seating, and I think that'll look cute. And then when we get our little table with some wall art, like it's gonna come together. And oh my gosh, I'm just like, what in the world is that? Malcolm and Marie, what did I just show on my channel? But anyway, I really like this because it is two-tone. It is obviously like marble up at the top, which goes with our house. I swear, I need to chill out and stop buying so much marble. But anyway, it's marble up at the top and then it's black marble at the bottom. That streak right there is part of the veining. It looks like, especially on camera, it looks like, is that tape? Is that something? Is that a scratch or what? But it's the veining because it's marble and it's like natural. There's no way to control what speckles are where. So we've got a big streak down there on ours, but it's totally fine. And I really like it. And yeah, I'm excited. Briella is way taller than this. RG is way taller than this. We should be fine. We have like corners around and we're good. So yeah, this is not a playroom. They have their playroom upstairs, so they're gonna be fine. But yeah, I'm really excited about this coffee table. I cannot wait for the rug to get in. It's really gonna pull it together, and get a chair over there and a plant, and I'm just really happy about this space. I need to figure out like what decor I'm gonna put here on top of this media console and like what I'm gonna put up there. But yeah, it's coming together.